What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, things looking pretty damn good. From what we can tell, we've obviously got a pretty decent trend that we've had basically ever since we got that trend reversal overall. Obviously we had the big downtrend that we saw for quite a significant period of time when we had this large correction for crypto, didn't we? But obviously the lower lows and lower highs all the way down. But then once we made a higher high, higher low, you can see the trend reversed. We started coming all the way back up, and we're having, we're just continuing to the upside really, haven't we? We've got all the way up to around that $300, where we did get rejected. Obviously big psychological number. You would expect a bit of a, people taking profits at that kind of level. And you can see when you look at the fib retracement targets from high to low here, you can see how much these levels have been respected. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance here, flipped into support, up to the next level at the 078. Resistance, back tested the 618 as support really bullishly. Massive bounce all the way up to that $300 level, as we always say. And then we roll over. We can't find support on the previous all-time high, so we roll over again. Couldn't find it on the 20 moving average or around that $200 psychological level. So we come all the way down to our previous fib level of around, what is that, the 078 there, at the 55 moving average, and that's where we got our bounce. And we had a really nice bounce up to the upside, where we basically, we got rejected at our previous all-time high, didn't we, where we had a bit of profit taking and resistance being formed. And you can see we've come back down and currently fighting support in and around that 20 moving average, currently trading at around $221. Things are going completely fine, we would say, overall. For Elrond, you can look at this chart and you think this is actually looking pretty damn bullish from what we can tell. Obviously, so many people super bearish in the market right now. September's been a very choppy month in general. September's are usually a bad month for stock market, and obviously crypto as well is affected by that as well. We've obviously had the Evergrande news, which has been very bearish for the entire financial market, and then also we've had more China FUD over the past few days, which has led to the market rolling over again. But what we see right now for Elrond is basically we're doing something like this, aren't we? Where we're potentially coiling to a point like that, forming, a pennant of some sort. And if we do get, a nice break to the upside of this kind of pennant, we could be looking at a very nice bit of upside for Elrond. If we do see ourselves continue to coil like this and then break to the upside, we're obviously looking to target that next extension, which is around the 127, coming up to around that $375 level, maybe upwards of $400. So, and overall, Elrond looking very strong indeed. It seems as though every single time that the market seems to get a large correction and everything's looking pretty bearish, Elrond seems to be, holding up pretty damn well from what we can tell. And, things just looking really good. So we'll keep it short and sweet then, short-term price predictions. If we do roll over here, we've got that $200 psychological support. And we've also got the bottom of this trend line, maybe coming in at around $185, $190 over the next few days if we do roll over to this level and get the bounce along with the 55 in that area as well. And if we do start to come back up, we want to be getting back up above that previous all-time high at around $245, $250, upwards of that $300-ish level, which is our current all-time high. And then, heading up through these fib extensions, and we really do think Elrond, top quality project, most likely going to be over $1,000, in our opinion, by the end of the bull run, which is, that's around a 5, maybe a 4x from the current price. And, there's a 227 extension of around $1,700 based on this recent fib retracement that we've had. So we could be looking at some very nice price targets for Elrond in the future. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.